So what I've discovered is that in learning astro trading, people generally need a lot of help, a lot of hand-holding. The tools are very, very effective, and I think anybody can learn to use them okay. But the fact is, it takes a little bit of practice, and there are lots of little elements that can be confusing. And so, with that in mind, what I've been doing is developing a set of tools to help you master all of the little aspects of astro trading and then coordinate all of those elements into a comprehensive trading plan and a trading procedure that will actually help you make money in the markets in a consistent fashion. And so a couple of months ago, what I did was get together with a group of individuals, and we spent the better part of 2 days going over lots of details of how the comprehensive approach to astro trading works. And that's what I've been putting together. We got video of that entire experience, and it has been edited now, and we're putting the whole thing together in a very, very special program that will let you in on the secrets of putting together an effective astro trading plan. So that's what I wanted to let you know about, and we're going to have that available very, very soon.